TONDEO and Coiffeurst Paris present Holistic Cures, Innovative Care and Drying Technology, Hair Care and Drying in One. Calling the Holistic Cures a high-end hairdryer with premium quality is true, but it's only half the story. This innovative hairdryer also features a true hair care system. The secret lies in two Japanese volcanic minerals used for the heating element. One of the two minerals is extracted from a volcano in Japan, red stone. The other mineral comes from the underwater deposit of volcanic activity, bluestone. The two minerals emit a unique light at a wavelength invisible to the human eye. Both have different effects depending on the temperature setting of the hairdryer. The redstone, the mineral from the Japanese volcano, is most effective at high temperatures, the blue clay at lower temperatures. The high-end hairdryer Holistic Cures combines the effects of both minerals in a new type of care and drying technology. The redstone can develop its effect best at high temperatures. Light vibrates in a terahertz sequence and sets the proteins in the hair in motion. Excess water molecules leave the hair. This gentle drying from the inside reduces the drying time by 40%. At the same time, new molecules are formed that preserve the hair's natural moisture balance. The bluestone reacts to the ambient humidity and ionizes the water molecules, which are then transported deep into the hair's interior. The hair is thus prevented from drying out and is given special suppleness and shine. The cure mode emulsifies the hair's cuticle layer with the help of light in terahertz frequency and a gentle wind. The cuticle closes and protects the hair from external influences. Undesired side effects like frizz, brittleness, and split ends don't stand a chance. The hair gets suppleness and shine.